You need to have your video game series videos merge into one video the fastest way possible? Then don't go anywhere, you just found the right video. Hey there, Dams here from Wondershare UniConverter. So, you have a given amount of video game series videos, but you need to have them in one single video. The tool you'll want to use is the merger tool in the UniConverter. So the first step is downloading and installing the UniConverter. You can go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and just simply download it. Now when you have the UniConverter installed, go to the tools menu on the left side here and then click on the merger tool. Here import all of your files that you need to merge. You will see your list here. Drag on a file here to move it up and down and change the order of the clips. By clicking on the trim button on the right side here, you can cut out parts from a clip. Pay attention to whether or not you have the merge all segments box checked here, because if you don't and you slice up your clip, the individual segments will be imported separately on your list. When you finish trimming and organizing your clips, choose yourself an output format and then an output folder. And finally click on Start. The tool will process your clips and merge them into one single video file. And that's it. It's really easy. So leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.